Hello everyone. So today we are working with Google Sheets. Some people call it spreadsheet. I prefer to call it Google Sheets. So let's see how you can translate from one language to the other using Google Sheets. Okay, so let's start with, this is the original language. This is the language you want to translate from, and this is you want to translate to, and this is going to be the translation. So how do you go about that? You put equal sign, then you put Google Translate. This is Google Translate, and then you select the language you want to translate. You put comma. The language you want to translate is in English, right? So you put EN, which is English, with a quotation. Then you put comma. Which language do you want to translate to? It is French, right? So you put the code for French, which is FR. Close the quotation mark and close the bracket. Then you hit enter. It's going to load, and it's giving us bonjour. It's giving us bonjour. So let's click on it. To make it faster, I'm going to copy this French translation, and then I'll paste. The next one is German, right? The code for German language is DE. So I'm just going to change this French, which is FR, to DE. Then I'll hit enter. It's going to load, and a good morning in English has been translated to Guten Morgen in German. We want to do for Spanish, and so we use that same formula, but change the language code to ES. I think Spanish is ES, so we hit enter. Due dia, buen dia, if that is correct. And so we want to do for China. I think China is ZH. So we change this one to ZH. Instead of repeating the formula, I just copied one and I'm changing it. So can you see French? And sorry, can you see Chinese in, can you see good morning in Chinese? I don't know how to pronounce it anyway. So the next one is Russia. Russia is RU, right? So I'm going to change this one to RU, and then I'll hit enter. So we are telling this thing to translate a language. The next language we want to translate